all, welcome to my channel. I'm Janvi. So this is my first long form video and obviously it has to be an introduction video क्योंकि अगर आप लोग मेरे को जानते ही नहीं हो तो how will it work, right? So if you're interested, subscribe the channel and like the video. So here's my phone and I have sorted out the questions that I asked from ChatGPT and I'm going to answer them one by one. So the first question, obviously, what's your name and how old are you? So my name is Janvi Singh and I am currently 17 years old. Second question, which class are you in and what stream have you chosen? I am in class 12 and my stream is humanities. Not that I'm bad in studies or something, but I really enjoy humanities subjects. I'm really fond of history and political science, just by the way. Third, where are you from? So my native place is Haryana, but I'm born and brought up in Delhi. Fourth question, what inspired you to start a YouTube channel? I feel YouTube is something which is really booming out loud. Content creators as an industry is really coming out of its way. They're really getting the appreciation and respect that they deserve. I really like the thought of the process of creating content, looking up for ideas, editing your video. So yeah. Fifth, what kind of content do you plan to post? मैंने सोचा है कि मैं बहुत अलग-अलग type का content post करूँगी. As I say, I'm a student of class 12, which I am. So I'll definitely be posting some study vlogs, tips and tricks that have worked for me. And being a girl, definitely, I love dressing up. So get ready with me. Makeup videos or transition videos. Something different could be like if I have shopped for something, so haul or what I ordered versus what I got. You should definitely check out my shorts for some of these videos that I have posted. So yeah, I'm definitely planning to do a lot of stuff on YouTube. And do let me know what you want to see from my side and I'll definitely think about it and try to post it. Next question is, how life as a class 12 student in CBSE looks like? Very hectic, really very hectic, very exhausting at a point, definitely. See, time is just passing by. You are giving exams, you are making assignments, notebook completion, syllabus completion, unit test, half yearly, pre-board, your file work. There's a lot to do. And being someone who really needs that academic score, who really wants that academic score at least, it's really tough on your mind and you really get exhausted at a point. But I'm trying my best to overcome it. And if you're someone like me in class 10th, 11th, 12th, we all feel this way and we'll overcome it. Yeah, that's how it's going. Next question is, which subject do you love the most and which one do you secretly dislike? So my favorite subject, so I have history, political science, geography, economics, English and psychology. So my favorite subject out of these will be definitely history. I really enjoy history, specifically Indian history. I do like modern history as well, but at some point it gets really boring for me. पर मेरे को इंडियन हिस्ट्री बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है एंड it's just like a documentary playing in your mind when you start reading history. The subject which I secretly dislike, so I don't secretly dislike it, I openly dislike it. I need to study it क्योंकि मेरे को इसकी आगे ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, which is economics. I really don't like economics because it has a lot of maths in it. बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे business terms वगैरह हैं. But I really enjoy the side of business, but economics due to maths, I am really bad at maths. My math equation, like I just do silly mistakes. मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता है maths. मैं plus minus भी कभी गलत कर देती हूँ. So bear me on that. But yeah, I really don't like maths and economics. For me, in class 11, economics was such a headache. Like it was such a pain to complete the syllabus and to score. And yeah, I somehow just passed. And I'm, trying to get through it and learn it in a manner which maybe will benefit me. I hope so it does because I'm taking a lot of pain. Also, I really like psychology as a subject. Like it's really interesting. As I said, I'm really curious person, so I really like psychology. मतलब बहुत पसंद आता है मेरे को जानने में कि अगर ऐसा है तो ऐसा क्यों है और अगर वैसा है तो वैसा क्यों है. I think you get my point, right? मतलब अगर एक इंसान एक certain behavior में act कर रहा है तो वो क्यों कर रहा है? What can be the reasons? I think psychology is that subject which definitely develops emotional intelligence. I really had that before and now I'm upgraded to another level of emotional intelligence. So yeah. Eighth question, how do you balance studies with YouTube or social media? So how do I balance my studies and social media? To be honest, मैंने अभी YouTube start करा है. 8 October was the date I posted my first video. That was a short study with me. तो बहुत सही चल रही हैं चीजें because दिवाली break and etc. बहुत ज़्यादा छुट्टियाँ स्कूल से मिल रही हैं मुझे. But for the upcoming time being, I definitely would be posting more of study content because I'll be more engaged in my class 12 examinations and the entrance examination that I'll be giving, which I'll not reveal right now. and less of beauty and lifestyle content for sure. Like lifestyle content फिर भी आ सकता है, vlogs and everything, but beauty तो definitely बहुत कम आएगा for sure. And once I'm done with my class 12th, then I'll be able to focus entirely on YouTube, at least for those 2 to 3 months which I'll have a lot of free time. But also मैं बहुत plan करके चल रही हूँ अभी भी चीज़ें. For example, definitely मेरी priority में मेरी studies है, no doubt about that. But I'm managing my time in such a manner कि मैं एक video तो at least post करूँ daily, either be a short or a long form. So yeah, I think just plan your time ahead and you'll be able to sort things out. And what are your future goals after 12th? College, career or something else? Definitely college, definitely a very well settled career. I'm a very ambitious person also. मैं बहुत sorted हूँ मेरे future goals के लिए. मेरे plans बिल्कुल तैयार हैं, but मैं अभी आप लोगों को share नहीं करूँगी. I'll share it when the time will come. So stay tuned for that. Question number 10. How do you deal with exam stress or academic pressure? यार देखो, डील तो करना ही है, आप उसको छोड़ तो सकते नहीं हो. एग्जाम देने हैं तो देने हैं, पास करना है तो करना है. 12th अगर मतलब क्रॉस नहीं करोगे तो भाई कैसे ग्रेजुएशन करोगे, कैसे जॉब करोगे? सो दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच यू हैव टू डू. अब आप उसको हंस के करो, रो के करो, दैट्स अपॉन यू. मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि मैं हंस के करूँ, बट कभी कभी रोना आ जाता है, सो दैट्स नॉर्मल. आई फील दैट्स टोटली फाइन. क्वेश्चन 11. हाउ वुड यू डिस्क्राइब योर पर्सनैलिटी इन 3 words? How would I describe my personality? Good question. Curious for sure, passionate, and dreamy. I'm a very dreamy person. I have a lot of dreams to fulfill. मेरे पास इतने सपने हैं कि मैं ये भी सोचती हूँ क्या ये जिंदगी काफी है मेरे सारे सपने पूरे करने के लिए. मतलब I'm just 17 but I still think that way. So yeah, I have a lot of dreams. I am a very dreamy person. Dreamy, passionate and curious. Next question. What's your aesthetic or vibe? Soft girl, it girl, clean girl, academic girly, etc. None. मेरा 7th तक बॉय कट रहा है. मेरे अब जाके इतने बाल हुए हैं. I've had a lot of haircuts. I have lived a very boyish kind of life. Like मेरी मम्मा ने मेरे को बहुत लड़कों की तरह ही रखा है. Like, so what's my aesthetic? Definitely boss girl. I'm someone who really like leadership roles. I have been my school's head girl in class 11, and उससे पहले भी I have had different position in the student council. तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है, you know, being a leader, managing the team, and being accountable for different things. I really like that. So yeah, I'm that boss girl. Yeah. Next question. Who are your favorite YouTubers or influencers? Okay, so there are a lot of them who I watch. Sara Saroj, Vidul Sharma, Ashia Dani, Alfia, and name a few more. Diya Gautam, Kanishka, Mitali. इनको मैं shorts में बहुत consume करती हूँ. So yeah, these are the ones who are, you can say, my favorites. Last question. What's that one message you'd like to give to other teens of your age watching you? देखो, try different things. You know, there's a saying that jack of all trades and master of none. That really suits me, at least. And I think that should be the case, right? एक चीज में अच्छे होके क्या ही कर लोगे अगर आपको सब कुछ नहीं आता है तो. You should be that person कि आपको किसी भी situation में डाल दिया, you should excel it. If not excel तो आप at least उतना तो करो कि you know you should be appreciated for it, right? So I'm someone who dances. मेरे को classical dance बहुत पसंद है, मैं गाना भी गाती हूँ, मैं drawing भी कर लेती हूँ, craft वगैरह मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. मेरी I'm good at studies, so. And yeah, मैं खुद की तारीफ नहीं कर रही, but I'm someone who is engaged in a lot of activities which I would definitely suggest other teens also कि भाई बहुत अलग अलग चीजें करो. And the most important that find your goal, find your motive and work towards it. Okay, अपना एक motive choose करो, be motivated towards it, work towards it, and you know you will get it for sure. मतलब मेरे को मेरा गोल, मेरे को मेरा मोटिव क्लास 6 से पता है, 5th या 6th से मुझे पता है मुझे क्या करना है. And I have been distracted, not gonna lie. बट मैं अभी उसके ऊपर ही स्टिक हूँ एंड आई डेफिनेटली यू नो डू इट. आई डेफिनेटली एक्सेल इन इट फॉर श्योर. एटलीस्ट आई बिलीव इन इट. यू शुड बिलीव इन इट टू. ओके, you should believe in yourself too. Like that's one advice which is really necessary. That believe in yourself, motivate yourself, be self-reliant. Yeah, find your goal and work towards it. That would be one piece of advice which I would like to share. So yeah, that was for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. See you in the next one. Bye.